upbeat music plays. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel dedicated to helping you find the best products for your home. Today, we're comparing two powerful steam mops: the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop, a versatile cleaning tool, and the Shark S7000AMZ Steam and Scrub, a high-tech floor cleaner. Let's see how they stack up against each other. First up is the price. The PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop costs $99, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking to keep their floors clean without breaking the bank. Reviewers appreciate its affordability, noting it offers great value for its performance. On the flip side, the Shark S7000AMZ is priced at $169, which some users feel is a bit steep, but many believe the investment is worth it for its advanced cleaning capabilities. Customers who have splurged on the Shark feel that its performance justifies the price, especially for tough stains and larger cleaning jobs. Next, let's discuss cleaning power. The PurSteam 10-in-1 is praised for being chemical-free and heating up quickly in just 30 seconds, making it effective for various surfaces. Users have found it ideal for cleaning kitchen floors and grout. However, some reviews mention its limited water tank capacity. On the other hand, the Shark S7000AMZ features an automatic scrubbing mop head that delivers over 150 scrubs per minute. Reviewers rave about its ability to tackle stubborn stains, especially pet-related messes, making it a favorite among pet owners. While PurSteam is great for quick cleanups, Shark takes the lead in heavy-duty scrubbing. When it comes to versatility, the PurSteam 10-in-1 takes the crown as it can transform into a handheld steamer and comes with multiple attachments for different cleaning tasks. Reviewers love its adaptability for various surfaces, from floors to upholstery. Meanwhile, the Shark S7000AMZ is specifically designed for sealed hard floors, making it less versatile but still effective for its intended use. Customers appreciate its specialized design for hardwood and tile, but if you're looking for a multifunctional tool, PurSteam is the clear winner here. Now, let's talk design and maneuverability. The PurSteam 10-in-1 is lightweight and features a swiveling mop head, making it easy to navigate around furniture. Reviewers enjoy how easy it is to use in tight spaces. In contrast, the Shark S7000AMZ is also sleek, but some users find it slightly heavier, which can make it less agile for maneuvering around obstacles. While both mops are well-designed, PurSteam shines in terms of ease of use and flexibility during cleaning sessions. Overall, the PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop receives high marks for its affordability, versatility, and effective cleaning capabilities. Users appreciate its lightweight design and multiple attachments. However, some express concerns about its cord length and water tank capacity. The Shark S7000AMZ, while pricey, is highly regarded for its powerful scrubbing ability, especially among pet owners who need a reliable solution for tough stains. Users love its performance on sealed hard floors, though some note it may be less effective for heavy-duty cleaning due to the weight of the machine. So which mop will you choose? If you're after an affordable, versatile cleaner, the PurSteam 10-in-1 is your best bet. However, if you're looking for a powerful tool that excels in tough cleaning scenarios, the Shark S7000AMZ might be worth the investment. Let us know in the comments which product you prefer and why. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for product links. Happy cleaning!